In life, there are moments that happen in the blink of an eye. Fast, dangerous, and sometimes so unbelievable that if not captured on camera, no one would dare believe it was real. From rare natural phenomena to strange actions between animals and humans. Let's explore the most incredible and unbelievable moments ever captured on camera.
Situations like this can happen at any time, so always keep a safe speed, pay attention, and obey traffic laws.
Video recorded by a witness in the town of Jorhat in the state of Assam, India shows the moment a leopard jumped out of the fence of the Rainforest Research Institute to attack a car running on the road. A car dash cam captured the moment a bolt of lightning tore across the sky ahead. The moment was both heart-stopping and majestic, as if nature was displaying its fierce power. A man named Lance Brown captured the breathtaking moment when a dust storm suddenly appeared and seemed to be chasing him on the highway. The incident happened near the intersection of highways 202 and 101 in Scottsdale, Arizona. Brown was driving when he spotted the dust storm in the distance. He immediately pulled out his camera to record. In the video, Brown said, "It was actually moving towards me," when he saw the storm crossing the road, heading straight for his car. Without hesitation, Brown quickly drove away from the dangerous area.
Madre mía, qué angustia. Qué angustia, macho. Uah. The prolonged heavy rains in Bangladesh have caused water from upstream to suddenly flow downstream with terrifying force. In the blink of an eye, small streams have turned into torrents, rushing down to residential areas at the foot of the mountains. The murky water carrying mud, broken trees, and garbage crashed into houses, causing many to tilt and collapse completely. On the streets, cars were lifted up like toys by the water, then helplessly swept away.
Se está trayendo los camiones, se está trayendo toda esta vaina.
¡Coco, prende el freno, Coco!
Mierda. Coño. Ay, huevo. No, 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 no. Maldita sea, ya va.
The excavator was digging up the ground halfway up the mountain when it suddenly caused a large landslide that collapsed at the foot of the mountain. Fortunately, the excavator operator was not injured and narrowly escaped. After several days of heavy rain, a serious landslide occurred, with rocks and soil suddenly falling from the mountainside, blocking the main road. The huge amount of rocks and soil completely paralyzed traffic, trapping hundreds of vehicles.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਵਾਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਘਰ ਹੱਲੇ ਨਵਾਂ ਘਰ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਗਿਆ ਓਏ ਫਲੈਟ ਹਾਊਸ ਭਾਈ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ ਭੈਣ ਭਾਈ
The truck quietly followed the mountainside, but unexpectedly a large rock fell from above, crushing everything. A sudden, cold ending, as nature often decides without warning. The storm was approaching, the tide was rising by the minute. The two men hurriedly tied each small boat to the shore, doing everything they could to protect their valuables from being swept away by the waves. The massive storm that hit the city caused widespread flooding, leaving many areas submerged and traffic severely disrupted. Strong winds from the bottom of the falls blow against the current, causing the water to splash up in misty waves. This scene is not only beautiful, but also gives a sense of the antagonism between the forces of nature. Water and wind, both strong and powerful. The snake suddenly lunged forward, mouth wide open, ready to attack. But the cat reacted very quickly, jumped back, and then slapped its opponent on the head. The fight continued with the cat's lightning-fast and precise attacks, while the snake could only struggle. With its sharp hunting instincts and superior speed, the cat is often the final winner. In a village near the forest on the outskirts of the Indian city of Mysore, a leopard was trying to climb up to the third floor of a house to attack the people inside. The leopard then gave up and rushed to knock down a motorcyclist on the road. In the deserted restaurant, a mad cow suddenly rushed in, knocking over tables and chairs and breaking things. Wind speed up to level 17, car blown away by tornado. Thank you for watching this video. Natural disasters are harsh challenges that we cannot anticipate, but they are also a reminder of the importance of preparation and environmental protection. Hopefully through this video, people will understand more about the effects of natural disasters and the way we can mitigate risks together. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the next video update.